Hey guys, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I want to show you how to fix a lift that is no longer level. So we have this lift. As you can probably tell, one side is taller out of the water than the other. Same thing when it comes to these pylons. So when you put the boat up, it actually tilts kind of slightly like this. And you want that boat to be either level or slightly tilted like this so there's no pressure on the hinge system. So I'm going to show you how to fix this in the water. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.